How to import custom token to your Metamask wallet. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to import a new custom token to your wallet in easy fast way. So first thing we do guys is we go to a Metamask account. Here as you can see, this is the home page. This is the home page of every wallet on Metamask. So first thing we do is we go to import tokens. Here down below, click on import tokens, and then you can search from here on any token, but if you want a custom token you just have to click here on custom token, and now you need to write the address or paste it. Now you need to write the token symbol and the token precision and click import. And yeah, that's it for today's video guys. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video till the end.